it's falling towards the ground. I'm not sure what that means. Listen to the wind pass my sterling silver hoops. I let it push and point my closed-toed shoes. I'll run to where it says north, south, east, or west. Now I'm circling myself, 'cause the sun